So it's time for an EDC update, so I'll just get straight into it. Start off with the phone. It's still the Alcatel One Touch Pixie. The wallet is still the spec-ops. And I've got the Fisher bullet pen. The newest little item in here is the Tops snap, made by Norseman, or designed by Norseman, made by Tops. And besides that, the wallet's just the same as it was in the last EDC video that I did. The multi-tool kept in a Victorinox pouch, but it's actually still the Leatherman rebar. My work knife is the K-Bar Doja, the folding hunter, which I'll have to strip and clean because it's got sand and crap in there. Anyway, my EDC knife that goes everywhere I go is the Nago Higo no Kami. Very beautiful knife, or at least I think it is. Very simple, but it just works. It's starting to get a nice patina there. So a very nice knife. And I keep that in a very obviously homemade, very crappy leather pouch that I quickly made. It took 5 minutes. The flashlight is the SR2 Baton by Olight. That's taken over from the Maverick. Casio G-Shock, the GA100MC I think. Yep. GA100MC. I don't think anything's changed with the keys. Still got the keeper, the Tops rape whistle, the ferro rod, the Phoenix E01, and the little glow fob thing, and the Spyderco, I think it's the Honeybee. And the newest item is a ring that my girlfriend got us. I've only been with her for a month, but every week we have like a weekly anniversary where we'll buy stuff for each other every week, because we're cute and adorable like that. And this is a Mech Army titanium ring. It's got the trinium glowing things, same as what I've got on the keychain. 2 of those, one blue, one green. And it's got a glass breaker, face breaker, and a bottle opener. So that's the newest edition, and that's pretty much it for the personal EDC. As far as the bag goes, I've gone back to the Monsoon. And as far as the contents of the Monsoon goes, so this is the contents of the bag. This is my first aid kit. Got a bandage. Got some plasters, and a little suture needle, which is just an upholstery needle that I've sterilised. And I've got some £5 fishing line, monofilament, bind the plasters. And I've got some gauze pads, alcoholic wipes. I've got some super glue and hand gel. So that's pretty much my first aid kit. I've got a backup phone, which is a Samsung E1360. Thing's ancient, but it works. Obviously I've got it switched off to conserve the battery life. Got a Write in the Rain notepad or notebook. The Maxpedition Acantha pen. Got a power bank with a cord for charging my phone and the power bank itself. And I've got the OLED charger, which I can also charge from a laptop or anything like that. And obviously the power bank itself. Smith's pocket sharpener, which will sharpen plain edge, serrated, and needles and fish hooks. Swedish Army 2.0 ferro rod. Table flame lighter. Match cap filled with matches and a striker. Electrical tape. The Tops probe and punch tool. Got Ray Mears' autobiography, just for some reading material when I'm bored. Bicycle lock. This is emergency shelter out of BCB Bushcraft Survival Kit. Spare flashlight, which is my old Olight M10 Maverick. Some vice grip pliers. About 15 feet of 550 paracord, ungutted. Mechanics impacts. Somebody stole my stainless steel water bottle, so I've replaced it until I get a new one with this Summit collapsible water bottle. And I've still got the Life Adventure titanium 450 cup or mug. Got a wool thin slate cap. Schmaug. And a wool jumper, which is, if I can find it, 100% pure wool, and it's made to MOD specifications. And that is my EDC gear for this month. So thanks for watching and goodbye.